And I said, fuck that YOLO, ma. It's all fucking for real. $28 bills. Cause I'm short and that's what I get. Motherfucker spy kid. You wanna ride? That's my shit. I swear to God, this is my shit. With some Star Trek. On top of the bars that be breaking. I flew my spaceship up through heaven. And heaven looked like about a yard. Not so great then. Something happened to man. Something happened to man. I gotta ask you guys credentially where the Mint MC try to beef with me. MCs evenly go equal. Key to the sequel. Motherfuckers know I'm not AMC, but I might be Regal. When I drop MC's bar like that, MCs can't get the farthest cat away from the beef and its symptom to get Marley's cat. Wait a minute, man. I done let him meet the kitty, now he won't leave me alone. If I'm not fucking with you, I'ma hit you on my other one. Now you can all understand. Best person ever right here, right? You got it, right? You gotta understand that, don't you? I'm not gonna fuck with it right now. Seems like a lot of people do not know what you're saying they do know. I get real upset when I see motherfuckers tearing down my life saying, oh, that wouldn't be so hard. I'll run that kind of life, right? I wake up every morning and God asks me, what the fuck aren't you dead yet for? I thought you were supposed to be dead. Why are you waking up and you're not even dead yet? You don't even got any plans to die. Shit. I'm like, yo, so I take this cancer stick, put it in my mouth, pretend like it fades away. It fades away. But something happened to me. At that point, the general message is understand and sit there with the fact that you can say something happened to me. Don't even know. I didn't kill any humans. But if you could fade this shit, would you go back and make sure you faded it before a tragic dumb shit move commences? It's all locked on pretenses, hoping y'all won't jump 3 fences away from the dudes. Jakes. Don't call them fakes, they never were. Motherfucker clever for her. If you hear the radio going when they're talking to you. Oh, good. Now we'll have a house. I'm swinging, throwing. Tastes like yak. Anorexic motherfucker with the bulimic in the back. You can't attract to my size, you can't call him no for nothing. I heard 3 of y'all motherfuckers with scripts. That ain't stunting. I don't ask anybody for the privilege of what I got. Little Malcolm on the Southern boy, claiming white boys can't ride. I don't know where I am, don't know where I needed to be. MCs can't break with me at different degrees. They'll leave it in heaps. Leave it in bloodstained sheets, leave it in clothes. Motherfucker thinks I'm talking about gangster shit. It ain't gangster because you already know. I'm swerving down the street on premise. Thinking, how do these white guys get a blemish? I get torn up and taken down. Tornado bacon frown. Eggs and bacon now. Anything. Can I get a ride to the mall so that when I want to go to the mall real bad and buy that one shirt and just tell them, man, I went to the mall. Buy my one shirt, I'm buying my one shirt, I love it, man. I got no style because I was ahead of the style 10 years before I claimed it. Put the shit down on paper, renamed it, slang shit. Don't smoke nothing. I'm a brew boast and boast. I'm The long and short of it is, you'd be sporting kids on rights, asking them what do they think about the history of the United States and how in wars we would defend, in wars we would attack, dribble down a cognac, see what the fuck you facing, selecting a camera's propensity. Did I ever use that word right? Got it. Anyways, y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. I'm in the middle of the night just putting something on YouTube. Anyways, I got y'all 300 times worse, so if you want to be a little dude, sitting 300 times as small as a person, just jumping around. Just this dude jumping around. 300 times. So I got you 300 times worth, believe me, because I'll show you respect. I mean, y'all might as well break the chains and answer. But I'm just saying, watch yourselves. This game is real stupid, and if you don't break in, it's real hard. Peace. Something happened to him, man. Oh, yeah? Something happened to him.